morning. Good morning.
My name.
Good morning, teachers.
Good morning, teacher. My name is Hòa.
Yes.
I'm.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Yes. What is your school name? My school.
My school
Is sông Cầu. Is that sông Cầu or Trí Kiên? Is Minh Khai Primary School. Primary school. Yes. What is your favorite subject? I like subject like English, Vietnamese, math. Okay. What is the date today? It's the 3rd
of January.
Yes, you say January. Yes. What day is it today? It's Ngọc ơi, nói nhỏ thôi.
It's
the
20th
of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Right. When is your birthday? Đưa cho cô Hoa nhé. Đưa cho cô Hoa cho cô. It's on the ngày bao nhiêu? Ngày sinh nhật của mình là ngày bao nhiêu? 11 là gì? The 11th of June. The 11th of June. What do you like doing?
I like badminton.
Yes. What can you do?
I like swimming.
I can swim. I can swim. What do you like doing? I like
swimming.
Yes. What subject do you like? I like math or English or Vietnamese.
Science.
Okay, thank you. Say. Goodbye. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.